Top 20 Enterprise DevOps Tools. Number 20, Snike and Sonar Cube. Developer loved, security trusted. Number 19, Auth0 Keycloak. Secure access for developers but not attackers. Number 18, HashiCorp Vault. Manage secrets and protect sensitive data. Number 17, ClickUp. All of your work in one place. Tasks, docs, chat, goals, and more. Number 16, Kyverno. Kubernetes native policy management tool. Number 15, Flowable. Intelligent low-code business automation tool. Number 14, Fastlane. Easiest way to build and release mobile apps. Number 13, Backstage. Developer portals platform. Number 12, Terrafrom Terragrunt. Infrastructure as code software tool that enables you to safely and predictably create, change, and improve infrastructure. Number 11, Ansible and Ansible Tower. Flexibly automate tasks in and across IT departments and domains with a single tool. Number 10, Kong and KrakenD. The most trusted and performant cloud-native API management platform for the modern tech stack. Number 9, Istio Consul. Simplify observability, traffic management, security, and policy with the leading service mesh. Number 8, New Relic Pixie. Solution that removes the monitoring gaps that naturally emerge in Kubernetes environments and provides code-level insights. Number 7, Zabbix. Monitor anything. Number 6, Honeycomb. Fast analysis tool that reveals the truth about how users experience your code in complex and unpredictable environments. Number 5, Loki, Grafana, Prometheus, and Thanos. Open source, highly available Prometheus setup with long-term storage capabilities. Number 4, JFrog Artifactory. Frictionless, unified management of your software supply chain artifacts. Number 3, Gitlab. Pipelines, SAST and DAST. Ship secure code faster, deploy to any cloud, and drive business results. Number 2, Rancher Kubernetes, K8s. One platform for Kubernetes management. Finally on top, ArgoCD, Argo Events, Argo Rollouts, Argo Workflow, Apps of Apps and Application Set. A declarative, GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes.